My name's Elin. I'm a town councillor in Lampeter. I am a mother of 3 very strong-willed daughters, and 10 years ago I faced homelessness. 10 mlwydd yn ôl, oedd fi'n gweithio yn llawn amser mewn cartref nyrsio a nes I colli fy swydd achos oedd fi'n feichiog. I was working as a full-time administrator in a nursing home. I had a really nice little flat in Carmarthenshire, and then just one thing changed in that I found out I was pregnant with my eldest daughter and my employer unfairly dismissed me. A oedd hwnna wedi gadael fi heb ddim arian yn dod mewn o gwbl achos y ffordd mae'r benefit system yn gweithio. Felly oedd y landlord yn mofyn mi mas achos fi ddim gallu talu'r rhent. I went automatically to my local authority who told me it was intentional homelessness because I hadn't paid my rent. Obviously that was to do with not having any benefits, having 0 income because when I was fired from my job, dismissed from my job, I was given no money and none of the pay that I was due as well. So I had absolutely nothing to fall back on. And the local authority told me it was intentional homelessness and they would do absolutely nothing to help me. At that point, I contacted my then MP, who also said he wasn't sure he could do anything at all to support my case. But he suggested contacting Shelter Cymru. And that was the point where I actually was given hope because Shelter Cymru took it in hand. The amazing caseworker I had immediately had a case put in place, and within 3 months, she had me rehoused. She put all the pressure on the local authority. She made the case for me both legally and also emotionally. Oedd yr emotions yn eitha uchaf, I bod yn honest. Pam roi ti'n feichiog, mae fe'n amser eitha anodd a ddim fel maen nhw'n wneud mas yn yr ffilmiau. So oedd fi'n ofni yr dyfodol I ferch fach fi a oedd fi ddim yn teimlo fel oedd dyfodol dyn ni o gwbl, so oedd yn amser ddim gobaith. There was no certainty, there was no security, and I'm someone that's very independent and I'm quite honestly very strong-willed, and I found myself absolutely crumbling. The professionals that are supposed to be providing the support and help, they need to have a lot more empathy and understanding. I understand that they are regulated by certain constrictions, but when you've got a pregnant person standing in front of you who genuinely had lost their job through no fault of their own, you have to have some sort of empathy, even if you're going to make them a cup of tea. Just some sort of care and affection. Nawr dwi'n gweithio fel cynghorydd dref yn Llambed, so dwi'n gweithio dros bobl sydd yn y sefyllfa yna I rhoi llais I nhw achos dwi'n teimlo'n ddigon gryf a mae'r addysg yna a dwi'n gweithio'n agos iawn I Shelter Cymru I wneud yn siŵr bydd y bobl yn cael y help a hefyd dwi'n rhoi'r addysg i'r cynghorydd arall dwi'n gweithio gyda achos mae lot o myths mas fyna am beth yw digatref a pwy sydd yn digatref felly dwi'n gweithgar iawn dros hwnna. So with homelessness prevention, there's a few things that have been done from Welsh Government and above. But then when you go a bit deeper, it's about education, it's about financial education. It's also about talking about it. Homelessness can be a bit of a taboo, like you wouldn't walk down the street and necessarily think that I had faced homelessness. So it's about being aware, perhaps having a backup plan, knowing who is out there to help you, and also about educating, you know, from children and upwards about financial stability and secure tenancies. Mae'r taith o fyna I fan hyn wedi bod yn eitha anodd a hir, ond mae ferch nawr yn 10 a mae hi'n siarad am y sefyllfa digatref a mae hi'n siarad I ffrindiau hi achos mae'n gallu bod yn eitha judgemental. Maen nhw'n gallu bod yn judgemental pan maen nhw'n gweld rhywun sydd yn digatref ar y stryd a mae hi'n sefyll lan I pobl fel na a mae fe'n neis I gweld bod llais dy hi hefyd. So mae wedi bod yn daith hir ond daith profiadol.